guys, I'm Mike. Today we are going to make this ice cream toy. This one is really easy to make and also so cute and yummy. So you can enjoy your original ice cream toy at your home. Let's make it. Okay, so let's check the parts for ice cream toy. So this plate is for base. This one is ice cream stand. Will stick here by glue. And then this one, the part of ice cream body. This one, which has the hole on side, is the bottom side, and which doesn't have a hole. This one is the middle, and which has a corner like this. This one will be the top of the ice cream. Okay, and then you got the three sticks with a hole, and this one, you can see that small pin for assembling. So let's start assembling. And for the base, you can just put the glue. Just put the glue on the bottom side and stick like this, okay? And then after you assembling the base, you can start painting. You can start painting for the base. Like this, will be like this. Okay, and this one stick. Even you can put stick on the middle of the board or whatever. You don't need to stick like this horizontal twist. You can do it. And then next one, we recommend to painting first for every piece of ice creams, and after you painting every part, you can start assembling. Okay, so for just for show you just only one piece how to assembling this one. So you can pick up this part, bottom part of ice cream with the hole, and this stick also has a hole. So please set the hole same position. You need to carefully check around here, and then you put the glue into the hole and pick up this small pin and insert into the hole. If the hole position is correct, it will be flat, okay? But and this one cannot take it out. Okay, so after you assembling and also painting, that this part will be like this. This is orange flavor, and also this one, middle one, this one green. What is the flavor? This one, so maybe like a matcha or something, green tea. And this one, top of the ice cream, strawberry and chocolate. So will be like this. So after you painting and assembling every single part, you can open your ice cream shop. You can open ice cream shop. This one, Toy Shake Cream. So I already made 3 sets of ice cream like this. So you can selling your ice cream with your friend or your brother and sister. Let's enjoy ice cream toy.